Welcome to my channel, guys. First of all, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now because you won't regret it. So guys, let me tell you first that this video is going to be very different from what I usually do. Actually, the last one was also different, and this video is also different. So let me tell you what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to show some stuff that I bought from Myntra app, and this is gonna be actually a mini Myntra haul. So I bought some amazing stuff from that, and this video is gonna be very girlish. And yes, also a short disclaimer that I'm not doing any type of show off in this video. It's a haul video. Like, if you will search the definition of haul, then you'll get to know about it. I'm just doing a simple haul video like all other YouTubers do. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I bought from Myntra is this shirt only, which I'm wearing right now, and it's from Marks and Spencer. And forgive me if I'm pronouncing it in a wrong manner. I don't know how to pronounce it. When I was a kid, I always want to be a businesswoman, and it gives me that vibe of business women's, like how they walk, how they, like, it is a vibe. Wearing this shirt, I am feeling a vibe. I bought it in M size and it's super comfy, and I love this. And its fabric is polyester, and which I think that it can be wearable in summer. Okay, so the next cute little top that we have is this pink one. It's a tube top, and it's from H&M, और ये साइज L है, सो स्ट्रेचेबल भी है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एकदम स्लिम ट्रिम गर्ल्स को ही आ सकता है, ये मेरे जैसे चब्बी गर्ल्स भी पहन सकती हैं. बट ये है कि मैंने इसको एक साइज़ बड़ा लिया है, जो मैं पहनती हूँ यूजुअली, क्योंकि इसके पीछे का रीज़न ये है कि जब हम बड़ा साइज़ लेते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ा बहुत गुंजाइश रहता है कि वो कम मतलब हम उसे कम करवा सकते हैं. लेकिन जब हम छोटा ही साइज़ ले लेंगे तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे. तो मतलब हम छोटा साइज लेंगे तो फिर उसको हम बड़ा नहीं करवा सकते, लेकिन बड़े साइज को छोटा करवा सकते हैं. इसी वजह से मैं बड़ा साइज लेती हूँ, वन साइज. एंड यू आर रेडी टू रॉक इन दिस टॉप. So now let's talk about my favorite outfit which I bought, and it's not a top, it's an outfit. So it's this one. I hope कि ये कैमरे में दिख रहा हो. ये एक फ्लोरल ड्रेस है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स इन कॉटन ओनली. इट इज़ आई थिंक फ्रॉम H&M, एंड इट्स इन द साइज 8. ये मुझे कुछ गोवा वाइब्स दे रहा था. एंड आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट्स फैब्रिक, बिकॉज कि मुझे ज़्यादा फैब्रिक का नॉलेज है नहीं. तो मैंने अभी सर्च किया जहाँ से मैंने बॉट किया था इस प्रोडक्ट को, एंड इसमें कुछ फैब्रिक का नेम लाइनेन आ रहा था. तो मुझे तो पता नहीं ये क्यों कॉटन लग रहा है, लेकिन ये लिखा था लाइनिन, सो मे बी कुड बी ऑफ लाइनिन. What I love about this dress is that it's very skin friendly, I would say, because ये चुभता नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. What I love most about dresses is that it's backless. I mean, it has back, but not that much. So I love this dress. This is my favorite. So the next thing that we have in store is this sweatshirt. It's a cute cropped sweatshirt with प्यारा सा टोपी. एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, और ये क्रॉप है, और इस पे लिखा है वंडर वुमन. एंड ये इसी ब्रांड का है, और ये बहुत ही कम्फी है, एंड आई लव इट्स बैक डिज़ाइन. एंड इट हैज़ ऑल्सो दिस जिप पैटर्न which which we can adjust. We can also pair it with the crop top. It's again in the size medium, and it's pretty amazing. So the next top that we have right now is very gorgeous, and बहुत ही प्यारा है. ये इसमें 2 पार्ट्स हैं. ये फर्स्ट ये एक टॉप है, सेमी शीट ड्रेस है ये. तो अंदर ये है, एंड देन वी हैव टू पेयर इट विद दिस. नेवर हैड दिस टाइप ऑफ कलर इन माई वार्डरोब, एंड इट्स इन साइज small, and it's from Miro Moda, and it's super comfy, and it's so elegant. I'm very excited to click my pictures and post it to Insta, and if you don't know my Insta handle, then it's simple as my name is just Chitrita Rai, and then you will get to know. So it's in the fabric polyester, and it's like this from back, and from front it's like this. The last but not the least dress that we have is this pretty dress, and it's from Sirikit. And if I am pronouncing it right or wrong, I don't know. Also, I'm just spelling it. It's Sirikit, and I bought it in size L. It is stripped A-line dress with a cut in bottom. You can see, and it is again trap sleeve dress, and it also contains one belt in it, so you can adjust your size accordingly. And it's fabric, it's polyester, and it's opaque. And opaque means it is not see-through, and it's very comfy, it's very good. And yes, I don't want to go right now, but video बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया है, so I have to end this video up right now. Also, I'll be attaching some pictures of mine in these dresses, so keep watching till the end of this video, and bye bye.